If you're choosing between Peacock Premium and Premium Plus, this isn't just subscription versus subscription. It's lower cost versus fewer interruptions. So is the upgrade actually worth it? Let's break it down. Peacock Premium gives you access to movies, TV shows, live sports, and most of Peacock's content library at a lower monthly price. For most users, this already includes the main experience people subscribe for. But here's the catch. You'll still see ads during many shows and movies. Premium Plus takes a different approach. It includes nearly everything from premium but removes most ads and also adds features like downloading selected content for offline viewing. That makes it more appealing for people who watch frequently and want a smoother experience. The downside is that it costs more and some live content or specific programming may still contain limited ads. So is the upgrade worth it? Choose Premium if you want the cheapest way to access Peacock's content. Choose Premium Plus if you watch regularly and want fewer interruptions and offline downloads. Bottom line, Premium is enough for most people because you get almost the entire content library already. But if ads annoy you and you stream a lot, Premium Plus becomes much easier to justify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.